Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Coursera online learning platform My Skill Development Journey. Coursera online learning platform is a massive open online course (MOOC) provider that partners with universities and organizations worldwide to offer a wide variety of courses, specializations, and degrees across many disciplines. It's primarily targeted at individuals looking to enhance their skills, explore new subjects, or pursue higher education, from beginners to advanced learners. Key features include video lectures, quizzes, assignments, peer-graded projects, and forums for interaction with instructors and other students. Their website provides details about all the courses and programs available. One of Coursera's biggest benefits is its flexibility. You can learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. The pricing varies depending on the course or program. Some courses are free to audit, while others require payment for graded assignments and certificates. They offer various subscription options for specialized learning paths and degree programs. While Coursera has many competitors in the online learning space, its collaborations with prestigious institutions and the breadth of content make it stand out. You can easily browse courses by subject or institution to find something that fits your needs. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Coursera. I decided to try a project management specialization to brush up on my skills. Getting started was straightforward. I created an account, browsed the catalog, and enrolled in the first course. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. Each course is broken down into modules, with video lectures, readings, and quizzes. I found the video lectures engaging and the supplemental materials helpful. One feature I particularly appreciated was the downloadable transcripts, which made reviewing the material much easier. The platform performed consistently well, with no buffering issues or downtime. I did encounter a minor problem with a quiz not loading correctly, but I contacted their support team via email and received a helpful response within a day. They resolved the issue promptly. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to track my progress and manage deadlines. The standout feature for me was definitely the interactive peer-graded assignments. They provided valuable feedback and real-world application of the concepts. One minor drawback was the limited availability of mobile app features for some courses. It would be beneficial to have full offline access for learning on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience on Coursera. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and helped me achieve my learning goals. That's my overview of Coursera online learning platform My Skill Development Journey. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.